Hello, my beautiful people in the house. Oh yes, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. This Vera TV program in the building. I greet and appreciate you so much. So I supposed to be on live video to the but at time just they busy, you understand? They be like that sometimes, my beautiful people in the house. So I just may quickly do this short video. We get many my people, get many things to talk about, but at the same time not to get chance like that, my beautiful people. One and not vex. So this we all get many matter for Germany. So but the one I want quickly bring come as so I beg now me do a video, go see do a live video, but at the time no want me to tell me want to show because live video see the tete you say no go take 1 hour 2 hours go still go down, and I'm not to get that time now. So good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. This Vera TV program in the building, and please, if today is your first time when you share this video, see this video, please don't forget to subscribe to Vera TV program and pursue the Enter House TV. Please, thank you all. I appreciate you all for supporting me, for being there for me, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, my people. So what we bring on today, I beg this message, this our sister needs help. She lives here in Germany. We get many matter for Germany in many ways just they go on. So I want quickly bring this one first, you understand me? So this one goes like this our beautiful sister need help and she lives here in Germany. I beg, if you get the idea or you know person when they say they sick, the thing if they sick, if the thing don't happen to, or you get idea of person when they sick for Germany, how they take they pass through one, how they take they support her if she they sick, all those kind of things. Germany here and I mean they talk, not be another country. If you are in Germany here, you be mommy here, you don't stay here, you know how things work. Please, I beg, if you watch this video, if you know, if you drop the comment, I beg my number there, you can call me. Let's help this our sister. So this matter goes like this. So this matter now what be say this our sister carry on, she say she need help, and how it happen be say this our sister she dey sick. So she dey sick, she don't dey Germany now going to 2 years for 3 years now. He say na Italy she for come, you understand? So when she reach here, she not get sick, get what he call the sickness diabetes, and she dey sick. So he say now when he come, she gave her say she get 2 pikin, and be one she get 1 for Italy, she can't get 1 for, it can't be 2. So he say when he date Italy, she not get any sickness called diabetes, and not be diabetes they call, and when they say sugar for belly for blood, yeah, diabetes. Say she not get it. Say but when he come Germany, he don't know what happen, she can't get her for Germany. He said she not even know say she get diabetes, that now when she know when we can get the symptoms, and be had they call her the feeling for belly, chest, everywhere call the pain now. She can say she waiting be this way, never do one before. He said now she take go hospital, she can't go hospital, come and say she get diabetes. He said from then now they take show her doctor. He said since 2018, I be 2017 or 2018, I take talk on my people, you know, I not feel pack up for many things they won't want to talk about. He says since almost 2 years plus. He said now this they take direct and go give doctor when go they help and they treat the diabetes. He said they give a machine when they check the blood. He said they give many things, whether na medicine when they take, the injection when they take for the diabetes. So he says since 2 years now this man don't they take care of her. He said this man don't they take care of her since 2 years. He don't even know. He don't even tell lawyer. He don't even tell social. Say he don't that ratas. When I went to Germany, I know what that one. Me say he don't that social. So he don't even know. Now one of her friend come and say, make she carry the paper go give social. Make the check say he here say that the papers when he know where. So he says since then the man they take care of her. He said when he know this doctor, he said the diabetes. They sometimes he go dey 180, 150, 130. That time they tell and say it too much. Oh, the diabetes too high. He said the treatment when the man they treat him now high, now the thing they high every day, my people. He said now high, the thing they high every day. He said wait, he said when you go see this doctor, the diabetes not even reach 200. Sometimes if it's too high, 200, 180, they come down, 120, 110, they get them. He said but now the thing they high more money, they give her medicine, they take tablet 3 times a day, they take injection, whether or not they walk, she don't know. He said now sometimes it go reach 450, sometimes it go reach 500, sometimes it go come to 300, you know. She say they reduce, sometimes it go be the morning go high, sometimes the afternoon go reduce, in the evening go high, something like that. And she tell the do I don't know how it be, my people. He say now she call the go social. Say when he go social, they call give her paper. Say me go give the doctor. Say anybody when not where he needs help, because he said she they shop like say tomorrow no day. He say if you belly open to they go if your shop no. He say you go imagine if you day when you go carry another food, they go say not be you fair eat yourself. He say you don't know what they do. He say they dry, so his skin don't dry. Say inside body they dry, they reduce. He said this doctor no even the hair son. I go don't let come take test every 3 months. Come draw blood, come take test now. So this one. He said the meanwhile the last one she can't even to say this or diabetes the high. He said cause say what he go do? He said the doctor she no understand whether na racist they worry the man. She no. She said na so they give a paper for social say make you go give the man. Make the man sign her, make he write and people when he get HIV, people when he get tumor, a bit tumor, I call and no this thing. So far if you dey sick, you have the right to take the paper, you cannot go give the doctor when they take care of you. Then the doctor go sign, he go write the name, he go write the diabetes, he go write yes this thing when they reach test when they do since then he go call that apple, then he go write when he be say he don't take care of her. Say more than 2 years and then this man don't take care of her. Now to your bring her oka, put her for inside collect money, bring her oka, put her for inside collect money, my beautiful people. He say he call they go. He say the doctor now he carry the paper go there for the doctor to sign the paper. May he carry. He say if you don't sign, she don't reduce finish. He say for the doctor to sign the paper when social give her, make him bring and come say the paper is going to job center. That when he sign the paper. When the doctor sign the paper, because the doctor they take off and says so you need to sign the paper, talk the kind of sickness when the person is sick, I don't take care of and reach. He said now you take carry paper, he go give them. He said when you give them, the girl collect and 3 paper they give her. He said meanwhile they call give her one, say now she supposed to feed that one. They call collect to the where you go recession and people when they recession. So they call collect 2 for her hand. They call say he go come back the next Monday and Monday she go give them, he go come back the next Monday call collect and she go say hey. He said now she take come out. She said when she come back on Monday now, may they give her paper. They say they not get documents to fill paper. He go say which one be document? He said they got the ask and say for the recession say doctor say you know go fill the paper. That waiting day there. Now so may go find Domesha. Go to the call Domesha for that is translate or go translate for him. Say they got there they say yeah. When you don't they call here for 2 years, una not say make she find translator. Now when they call say because now she want benefit if now that paper now they give and make go give doctor, make doctor sign and make they collect extra money. Doctor not go say that doctor not go say no go sign this paper. Because now say job center one use and tell the help and they say the evil self he can even use and get a document because make us say so say if they sick for country German or Europe as a whole, if you they sick so far the sickness the person they sickness and sickness. You understand me, my people? Who they sick now? Who they sick? Okay, sickness on the body more than 2 years. It not go, it not finish. And you now they say you know go fit sign the paper say now so who you get sickness when you they reduce. And meanwhile, how you tell no say this woman not they reduce weight? He said they reduce so your body they drain the feel now. He said the worst part chest they draw am. Sometimes if they knock something, it go shock. He said no come know what they do. It's okay, go get the paper. They say they don't get document to fill. The recession get first or say she go do test so they will take fill. Later now, because she can't go there, you know, say translator can't go there. The doctor come you know go fill because they say now who get the sickness when on that how many days if they lose so pan now you go take fill you know high. Okay, no high, not the sick. Where the sickness? You know high. Person come your place 200. Now you say they read for a machine when they give her. How come now they reach 350, 400? Sometimes say 480. Get to 500. Someone they don't enter 555, 545. And you say the thing not the high because they go up in the corner, they go up in the corner, so type everything take day. You see now so the thing they give my people. I beg any of you wanna watch this with I beg more help this our sister. If you get the idea of this sickness now cause diabetes, now the lady get. So I say the friend went and say people when they sick for Germany, you they sick, you they say I brought up your late Germany self. Who they sick? You supposed to say either good but a doctor they take care of her. He's supposed to sign that paper. He said because then anyone use and benefit, say the paper they go to job center because Narata has given paper say if the doctor fill them, then they will collect and send a go job center so they add money join if the money. You understand? Because they not so read the sickness. Who they sick when sickness not finish? They supposed read the add join her money and then the doctor need to sign it. He said doctor refused to sign. I mean they hear for Jamie or say some doctor wicked. If this our sister not bring a corner my people, me no go believe her, no go no say this kind thing day now Germany here. He said the doctor refused to sign the paper and I excuse the doctor call the giver. But you know where you say me they take tablet 3 times in a day. 3 times in a day, they go to take the injection one times in the morning. Okay, the thing are not the feeling. Not be say reduce to 100, 80, 20, or maybe reduce to normal. Or if the thing is still high, you see they say sometimes 350, 400, 250, lowest now 250. Now lowest, you know, even they get 250, no way they'll get 250 last. Now 300, 400 go up. He said they lose strength. They turn her. So now, he said this man now, he refused not to even check her or make it go big hospital or make she even take care of her. Make the man even take care of her. Say the man, now to your collect money. Now to your collect money. Now to your collect. The thing when she can't tell me, I be one fair use and do, but I know they get chance. I dey busy. So now I call one of our brother. He did this our platform, a very nice man. Now he dey follow us. Now I call and say, I beg, if you go get this kind of idea, see. Now I call explain, give the man. The man see this video. He go say the doctor na racist. I don't see call the girl and say, the girl go say, the lady go say, he know say this man are racist. Either good or bad, even though person not well safe, you have the right to go meet doctor. If doctor check you, if even they treat you, have the right to say, he go right and say yes. Now he treat you for so sickness. Okay, why this doctor now refuse? Now that one they imagine me. When the lady they tell me, the thing they get me crazy. Say, this kind of thing they happen. You have been treating somebody for 2 years. More than 2 years. He said, don't they treat them more than 2 years. Sickness they have. The diabetes they have. Paper now, once when they go now, say now afraid, even let her know, say that they add money join. Say the just center they pay the money. Because he knows say they want benefit now to sign. He said, if that let me come ask this our brother can say, even safe, the fee if you use and give the lady document because oh they sick, as far as she they sick. The thing really the weekend. This doctor now can't know say this woman not they lose pan. He say for the paper. Now so they say oh if you accept it, they lose pan every day. HIV people or people when you get too more. People when you get too more, appear the corner. Now 1 day they ought to die. Now 3 months they ought to die. That be some safe they go even operate on my people. HIV when they hear so my people. You ought they kill them once. Now be prevention as they take. Now I say you know they take me say that they give a medicine. He said if you go there, they'll collect your card, the partner say they give her, they'll give her this one. Say if you get another termin when you want to go next month, now say, now this doctor don't fit sign paper for you. Oh, you don't they take care for 2 months. This doctor say not go fit sign her. Now so the thing not too much high. You know her. And now so they say he thought say now so person when they live so pan when the blood they dry. How you can't know say blood not they dry? You not do test of say you do and now maybe every 3 months or every 2 months or every month. No, not be every 3 months. Say every month. Make them know if they lose like 3 enemy pounds. I don't know how you take call on me. Say if they lose enemy, now they go fit take. They pay on that money because he not feel read Dutch say now waiting they write for the paper. Say the thing now they imagine he don't know what to do. Whether make carry the paper go give a lawyer, he not know what he want to do. Those people say the people you they do. We say got suspect for a rat. Say he get one man when they pay them. Either that man call them. She not call no. Say this one and just racist heart. Now it will be this one. So my people, I just bring a Congo. Say you and do live video. If you date Germany, you know of anything where person they sick like this, the diabetes of 18. If you don't first sick, if you be say that they support or how they be the level, maybe if you maybe not true the doctor talk or you never really reach the level when she go retail feeling or the man are racist or na work in the read they do. I beg when you watch this video, if you are in Germany, I beg more help this our sister. Now make can tell me so me can even tell the brother when me even call self talk say na racist doctor na be that. I say that man are racist. He said if not be racist, as far now he don't they take care of us is too much. He said supposed to sign that paper. He said that paper just me say now me they take care of us is 2 years so now he don't be my patient oh. And 2 now so test when I don't do now be this so he just need to do. He said, but this man refused. He said, the worst paper, I thought they forget something. He said, the worst paper. He said, when you carry the paper, go give them. He said, they not feed the paper. Now you go feed for us. He said, the day or Monday when he come, he said, they don't already they feel and they don't write her name, put for up. Now to your complete and now you remain. Okay, one time he said, doctor or Dutch person, you give her paper, you never fair read and know waiting day. Then he go come fair write her name. He said they don't write her name, her address, everything put for the up. Just to feed the remaining one. May your sign. They may go give the ratters. They may they can't go job center. He said now they your post for them. He said they not write and pass there again. He said they not write and pass there again. He say come imagine say I'm Dutchland, they always read book before they'll say now, so they'll call they'll first read them before they will start to the write. Now they just start writing their address, everything, and they all pause. So the other person you call, they say Mona not do and pass there. So I beg, if you get any information about this thing, I beg, God bless you now. Mona comment for here, you can call me, I'm gonna give an advice. I thank you all, I appreciate you, and I want to end this video. I don't want to make it too long. Thank you very much. I'm about to go now. Bye.